Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at Rocky River Vineyards in North Carolina. So come along with me and see what we can see. As you can see, I've been walking around here a lot and I am very impressed.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it was a horse farm. It's about 45 acres altogether.
Okay.
He lived here at first, and then he didn't know what he wanted to do with it. And then his mom suggested, plant the grapes, open a vineyard. And first he was like, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do something else. And then here we are, the vineyard.
Mama knows best.
According to their website and print literature, Rocky Ridge Vineyards is family owned and operated. At the time of this video, wine tastings are from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday, and 1 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. on Sundays. They planted their first muscadine vines in 2003, and the doors were opened to the public in 2007 with the offering of their first vintage. All the wines sold at Rocky Ridge Vineyards are fermented on site, but only the Carlos and Noble muscadine grapes are grown in their soil. Various festivals and open houses are done throughout the year, so check their websites for additional information.
Well, I hope you like what you saw here at the vineyards. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell while you're at it.
We're Laura and Keith from Charlotte, North Carolina, and as always, have a great day.